Looking back over the course, we've covered a fair few topics. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to read candlestick charts and basic indicators, what makes up trading strategies, how to conceptualize strategies, how to backtest strategies, including how to log additional indicator and candlestick data, how to refine and optimize strategies, how to write a trading plan, what risk management is and how to apply it, how to practice trade using paper trading or demo accounts, and what some of the live market variables are, such as spread, margin, and leverage. If you feel you haven't completely understood any of these points, return back to the relevant lessons and watch them again. If you need further assistance, you can email through any questions you have. Now is the time for you to take these methods and resources and go and begin creating your own strategies. Be sure to check in with me to let me know about your strategies. I would love to see what you've come up with. Once again, thank you for being a part of the strategy development course, and best of luck with your strategy development.